today we're playing today, and this is part 3, and this will be a small gameplay, not big enough. So I was just playing it and I was thinking to make a video. So I opened it down and go to the menu. Now let's go to the menu. Alright. 0 seconds. Alright, play. Time to play. Alright. Flashlight. 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Oh, and by the way, this is the last episode of Playing Wait. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, bathroom, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Enough for the countdown. Ooh. Generator. POV, please. Alright, done. Someone drop this. Alright, let's just not get out of the air. This video is about to come to an end. Oh, sorry. I'll go up then. You know what? I'll go save the person that are dying there. Don't worry, Dad. I'm coming for you. Damn. Bruh. She did too. Help! Alright.